Brand reputation and user reviews can help assess the quality and reliability of centrifuges. Well-reputed brands, GZAIR, overview. Specializes in customizable centrifuges. Importance. Meets diverse laboratory needs. Beckman Coulter, overview. Known for innovative technology and reliable performance. Importance. Trusted by researchers for decades. Eppendorf, overview. Offers compact and versatile centrifuges. Importance. Popular among labs with limited space. Hettich, overview. Provides robust and user-friendly designs. Importance. Suitable for high-throughput applications. Thermo Scientific, overview. Renowned for advanced features and precision. Importance. Preferred for critical research and clinical applications. Sorval, overview. Offers a wide range of models for various capacities. Importance. Flexible options for different lab sizes. These brands are well regarded for their quality, reliability, and customer support in the centrifuge market. To learn more about our range of centrifuges, or if you have any questions regarding brand reputations, please contact me through my email provided on my homepage. I will respond within 24 hours.